First time in Bangkok? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's everything you need to know the moment you land at Suvarnabhumi Airport. But first, important update. Starting May 1, 2025, all travelers must fill out the Thailand Arrival Card or TDAC online. It's totally free, so make sure to use the legit website to register. Huwag kayo magpapascam sa sites na naniningil kagaya nito. Now, the good news, Thailand is visa-free for Filipinos. You can stay up to 60 days for tourism purposes only. So all you really need is a valid passport and a round-trip ticket. Let's start with the pre-flight steps. Number 1, fill out the e-travel form 2 to 3 days before your flight. Next, pay the 1,620 travel tax at the airport para walang extra fee. Then be there at the airport 3 to 4 hours before your departure. You can check in online but you still need to pass by the counter for your boarding pass or in case may dadrop kang baggage. For immigration, here are the documents that I usually prepare as a company employee just in case hanapin. After that, go through security and boarding. Always check the screen since gates can change. The flight is about 3 hours and Thailand is 1 hour behind Manila. Upon arrival in Bangkok, head straight to immigration, usually smooth, no questions asked. Then proceed to the arrival hall. Suvarnabhumi Airport has clear signage so hindi ka maliligaw. Here you can withdraw or exchange money. I recommend withdrawing with a GCash card. Fee is around 220 to 250 baht, so withdraw enough para hindi ka mahassle. For internet connectivity naman, you can purchase a SIM card at the airport or eSIM via Klook. Use my code to get an extra discount. Finally, to get to the city, the most convenient options are the airport link or booking a Bolt or Grab. If you have questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trip to Thailand.